in the future.
Battle stations, report to the flight deck for immediate launch. To infinity and beyond! Stand by. Chatters detecting more trouble in Sector 9. No doubt it's the work of that nefarious criminal, the sworn enemy of the Galactic Alliance, the Evil Emperor of Zurg. What? This robotic army is stealing crystallic fusion power cells. Without those cells, we'll all be powerless and at the mercy of Zurg. Star Command confirms you're all battle-ready recruits. All right, rookie Space Rangers, listen up. Green Squadron will retrieve the power cells, while the rest of you concentrate on those robots. We'll rendezvous at Planet C. I will communicate with Star Command to coordinate our mission.
Your mission will resume immediately. For your safety, please remain seated.
Stay laser focused on your laser smoking. Mission accomplished, Space Rangers. Check your dashboard to review your rank. As always, to infinity and beyond.